Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me see where I want to look. I'm gonna look here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing, gorgeous, abundant day. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a monthly reset routine over a course of a couple of days. So if you guys don't know, I did finally create the e-guide for my spiritual monthly and weekly routine. So if you guys would like to get that, it's going to be linked in the description box. It's going to have like 2 of my reset spiritual routines, which also will include my favorite herbs. It'll include how I cleanse and do prosperity rituals for the month. It's going to include all that, as well as affirmations and journal prompts to help you create your very own spiritual monthly routine. I don't know why my brain is just like, well, I do. It's like 9 in the morning, so like of course that's going to be how my brain acts right now. But yeah, just look in the description box for that. So I'm going to show you guys how I am doing my monthly spiritual routine, and today we're just going to be doing so yeah, we're going to be doing a deep clean, planning out the week and month. The deep clean is going to be the mopping the floors and cleaning the closet. And then like I'm going to plan out my week and month, which I'm going to do finances, creative content, and budget. And then later on today, I'm just going to be shipping out orders because I was going to do manifestation and intention setting. But I think I'm going to do that Wednesday because I feel like doing 3 monthly reset routines in one day is just not going to hit for me. I want to take it slow for sure. So I'm going to switch that over to Wednesday, and you guys are going to see how I manifest and do some intention setting for the month ahead. But yeah, let's just get into this video. And of course, if you do end up enjoying this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications so you won't miss a video from me, okay? Okay, let's leave. This new skincare like line, Good Molecules, and I honestly think I'm gonna stop using it because I've been getting like boils on my face, and I would be thinking it's monkeypox, but it's not, because I had one right here that looked exactly like that, and I was like, is this monkeypox? Like, it doesn't hurt, it doesn't do anything like that. I just think it's from that skincare line. So whatever I'm using, I'm gonna have to stop using it because it's like giving me bumps all over my chin, giving me bumps here, which suck because it has my face feeling really good, and I don't know what exactly is messing with the chemistry of my face, but I keep getting boils and I haven't put on makeup in like a week. So I'm gonna have to figure that out just by stop using it. I think it just doesn't like mix with other stuff. So maybe because I'm using like a cleanser that's not from that line, I don't know, but I don't like it. So yeah, I'm gonna have to stop using it and then just use with my regular stuff. It's hard though because like my skincare routine consists of whatever somebody sends me, and then I just use it for however long. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And then, but yeah, y'all know I can't. So yeah, peace. So guys, I was in the process of, I just went out and got like the package that came Saturday, but I couldn't get it because my leasing office was closed. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got, which is honestly on time, especially this oil that she gave me. So this package is from Moonlight and Sage. I'm going to put a discount code here. This video isn't sponsored, by the way. She's just a mutual that I really love to support. She's amazing. So if you guys are like any herbal blends or anything that you need for your spiritual like beginnings and awakenings, I highly recommend her shop because I have a lot of other stuff from her, and my favorite things from her is her evil eye oil. If I recommend anything to you, it's that, and also her prosperity oil. I always anoint myself with those two oils every single morning, and I've noticed a huge shift and change within my energy and around me, especially when it comes to the evil eye oil, because people be jealous. So yeah, I love those things for her, but I want to show you guys what she sent me this time. So she sent me this peppermint scented oil here, which, you know, I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. I could probably use it for a ritual if it needed. I may give it to my cousin because my cousin like peppermint scented stuff, so I may give it to her. Then she sent me a pheromone soap. So this is like pheromone attract your, you know what it's for. So I'm definitely excited to use this. I think it has a bee in it, and it has like, I think it's bugs in here, or maybe leaves and stuff. I don't know. It can't be bugs in here. Like, yeah, I think it's just like leaves and like roses and herbs within here. So I'm excited to use this, and I'm gonna let you guys know how it works. I'm a little bit scared. I don't like people talking to me outside, but I want to find a little of my life here. Next thing she gave me is this cute little, I want to say this is a jade crystal if I'm not mistaken, but I don't know for sure. But it's in the shape of a ghost, and it's super cute. And I can't wait to put this on my altar because it's super adorable. Spooky season is upon us, or I may actually just put it on my desk here. So next thing, which I'm really excited for, is this road opener, opener ritual oil. So this is for the road opener ritual oil is spelled and crafted to break down barriers, clear your pathways, and give new opportunities and open doorways. So I am super excited to use this. I'm going to use it in this video for my September prosperity ritual and open ritual. So I'm gonna be seeing how I'm actually going to use this in order to open like the road. Maybe write a petition paper and put it on it to like release any blockages going through that way. And then here is some incense cones. I never had incense cones before. I always get the typical incense, so I'm excited to use these and see how they work. It's in cocoa cinnamon. Smells really good. Smells really good. It smells like your grandparents, so I like that. It's very cozy, comfy, and warm. And then last but not least, I got these herbal blends for each element, and I'm excited to use this as well because I think I'm also going to use this in my prosperity rituals. Come the 1st or the 2nd, I think I'm going to use it then. And I'm also probably going to use it in the bath, so I'm excited to use these herbal blends. And the last one that's like my favorite. I always wanted this one because this is super good to open opportunities and bring prosperity towards you. And it's the Rose of Jericho. When she gave this to me, I was like, Stassi, are you doing this for real? Are you serious? So I got the Rose of Jericho, and I'm super excited. So you just put it in water, let it bloom, and I think this is going to be another prosperity ritual that I'm going to be doing as well. So I'm just going to take super care of this until September 1st comes and I'm able to do what I need to do with this. I know she has a ritual on how you can use your Rose of Jericho on her TikTok, so I'm going to link her TikTok if you guys would like to check that out and see what else she does, because she is a witch. So yeah, this one I'm excited for, and I'm also excited for the road openers and the herbs. So yeah, thank you so much, Stassi. I'm so happy and grateful that you were able to bless me with these things. Absolutely love it. So I can't wait to use these. Now let's get back to this video, which is me planning my creative content and stuff, which I'm pretty much done with. I just need to input it into my Milan notes and my Notion, and then I gotta clean. But I feel like I'm not going to be able to clean this morning, so I'm cleaning like after my break. But we'll see. Hi guys, this is another day. Today is Wednesday, and we are about to go grocery shopping, but it's just a little bit of replenishing because I don't really have to get that many things. So I'm not going to look cute today. I'm just getting this here, my little sweat shorts, my sweatpants, and I'm going to go out there and do my damn thing because that's how you do it. You might not be able to see my face, but that should be okay, right? I'm just about to go do that, and then today my plan is to clean up for the first half of the day. So from 9 to 12, I clean up and do that. and I am like trying to break out of my procrastination. And one of the things I kind of really tapped into yesterday was realizing that it takes the smallest of things to manifest your desires. It takes little changes to get the big shit. So for example, normally right now, just because I feel like this energy of a little bit tiredness, I would get back in my bed and I'll take a nap. But right now I'm like, you know what, let me not take a nap, let me actually get up. So I was like, let me not get in my bed, let me actually get up and clean like I said I was, and cook like I said I was. So I did that. And I know that small little change is going to have big results to it. So this is going to be the fit to the grocery store. I hope this don't like break a hole. Like if you guys could see, like this is on its last leg. So this is probably like the last day I can wear these, because girl, they're done for. But yeah, you guys are gonna see me go throughout the day.